Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we will look at how you can join as a trainer on the Virtutor platform. Enter your first name, last name, email ID and mobile number. You'll also find an option to give a brief description about yourself and add your address. As you can see here, you have options to upload your profile, which is mandatory, and resume an introduction video, which is optional. All three you can upload from your computer, so keep the location of the documents handy. Now, fill in the technologies that you are an expert in. You can also add multiple skills of which you can be a trainer and also choose a primary skill. For each skill, set your cost or fee expectations. Now, add details related to your skills like overall experience and mention certifications if any. After this, set your time and date availability and recurring availability in the calendar. Now, enter your educational details, published research papers, and details of organization if any. It's always good to add more details as it helps the onboarding team make better decisions. Now, hit submit and your data will be sent to our admin team and they should reach out to you within 24 hours and help you with getting onboarded. Thank you.